Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Vscode with the integrated terminal open. Press Ctrl+ if it's hidden. Once open, check the shell type in the terminal's drop-down so you know which clear command to use. Make sure you've saved important files, because clearing the view won't stop running processes. Instead, it just cleans the buffer. Now, position the cursor on the terminal you want to clear and get ready to use a keyboard shortcut or a command. Both options are quick and safe. You'll now run the appropriate clear command for your shell. In PowerShell, use clearhost or CLS, and in Bash or ZSH, type clear or press Ctrl+L. Alternatively, open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P, then run terminal, clear or terminal, clear scrollback to wipe the buffer. Once done, the visible output disappears but processes remain. Make sure you didn't need earlier output. If you prefer a single keystroke, you can map a custom key binding to the clear scrollback command in keyboard shortcuts. To finish, understand the difference. Clear scrollback removes the terminal history entirely, while clear or Ctrl+L only hides the current view. Choose what you need. If the terminal won't clear, pause and check for an active process or confirm your shell's clear command isn't aliased. Also review Vscode terminal. Integrated settings if behavior differs. If things go wrong, restart the terminal with the trash icon, then reopen it. That forces a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.